Okay, let's transfer WhatsApp from an Android to an iPhone without using any computer and without losing any data. So you can see I've got my conversations with some files and photos on Android and nothing on the iPhone. Now, although WhatsApp officially now allows you to move from Android to iPhone using the Move to iOS phone app, but there's one issue. It needs you to factory reset your iPhone and lose all of your data. This is fine if you have a new iPhone and you're just setting it up, you've got no data to begin with. But what if you want to move your WhatsApp from your Android onto your iPhone, which is not new? It's already got a lot of data. That's when you need something else. And so you're gonna need Wutsapper from Wondershare, and it basically transfers everything from your WhatsApp, your chats, videos, file attachments, images, everything. And you can make this transfer happen either by directly connecting the cables between the two phones or by using a PC or a laptop in between. And it even supports phones that are almost like 5 years old. And the steps are pretty simple, and I'm going to take you through them one by one. First, you purchase the license, and I'll leave a link in the description so that you can follow. Then you go in here to log in with your email ID and password, and then you land onto this dashboard. Now you're supposed to actually go and redeem the license key or the serial number that they would have sent you. So just go to redeem, choose serial number, and then paste your serial number here and click on submit. And then it's going to activate Wutsapper access on the same email ID which you're going to need later. Next, go to Play Store on your Android smartphone and install Wutsapper. When you open it, it's going to ask you for some permissions, which is important that you give it, and then it's just going to take you through the process after you hit start. And by the way, you can do this for WhatsApp or WhatsApp Business. Now the next thing is you're going to have to give it access to your WhatsApp folder on your Android phone because it's going to need to pull all that content to your iPhone. But first, make sure that you re-backup so you've got the latest conversations backed up. When you click on backup, it's going to take you to WhatsApp. Go into your WhatsApp settings, then go into chats, click on chat backup, and just click on the backup button. So this way you've got all the latest conversations backed up. And then you're going to go right back to the application, click on Android to iPhone. That's it. Now you start putting in the details. Give your phone number, verify it. And once verified, it's going to start creating a backup of all your WhatsApp data, which it's going to then use to transfer to the iPhone. You'd also be given the choice to choose what all you want to transfer and how far back in time do you want to go in terms of transfer. Moving on, I click on next, and it's going to ask me to buy the license, but I already bought it. So I'm going to click on bought already under the buy now button and sign in with the same email ID that I used to buy the license at the time. Now, once I do that, it's going to ask me, how do you wish to transfer? With a USB-C cable, so I can connect the two phones directly, or if I don't have the cable, I can do it using a computer in between. But I do have the cable. It's the same cable, guys, that you get with the iPhone. So one end goes into the Type-C port of your Android phone and the other goes into the iPhone. As soon as you do that, it's going to ask you for a permission on your Android phone. Click on OK and click on Trust on the iPhone. Now, on the Android phone, it's going to say download and install WhatsApp on the iPhone and log in with your phone number. So that's exactly what you do. Key in your phone number, key in the one-time password that you get, and once that's done, you'll come onto this blank screen of chats on iPhone, click on Start Transfer, and then hit Continue. And that's pretty much it, guys. The transfer is going to start, and depending on how many chats, photos, and videos you've got, I had very little because I'm just using it, to demonstrate to you guys. But it can take time depending on how much stuff there is to transfer. Now, once you do that, once the transfer is complete, it's going to say transfer succeeded onto your Android phone, and your iPhone is going to go into a reboot. So it's going to restart your iPhone, and then after some time, you'll see the Apple logo. Just unplug the USB data cable. You don't need that. That's it, just go ahead, open it up. And if I go into my WhatsApp, there you go, guys. All the same conversations are there, the photos, the videos, the files, everything is there. Whatever was unread on my WhatsApp on Android is still unread on the iPhone. So the sync is amazing. The two numbers that you see are masked is because those contacts don't exist on my iPhone. But yeah, all photos, files, voice notes, everything is still there. Now, if you're interested in using this, you're going to have to buy the license, and I guess the quarterly plan is great if you just want to do it once. And irrespective of which plan you get, you can do this from 5 Android devices. So you could, have WhatsApp transfers from 5 different Android devices to 5 different iPhones, and I think that's pretty good. Now, I understand it's not free, but someone out there has created a solution to a problem, and it's completely your choice. Do you want to spend some money and transfer WhatsApp without losing data on your iPhone? Or do you want to take all that backup, factory reset your phone, move WhatsApp over, and then restore all of that? It's completely your choice, and it's only yours to make. I'm just here to help you guys out. Anyway, that's pretty much it, guys. I've not seen a solution as elegant and as simple as this one yet when it comes to moving your WhatsApp from Android to iPhone. Now, if you guys have any questions, you can reach out to the Wondershare team, or you can ask me in the comment section and I'll definitely help you out. And if you are interested in buying, there's going to be links in the description as well as in the pinned comment, so you can go there and start. Alright, thanks for watching, guys, and I hope this was really helpful, and if it was, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell notification icon. I'll see you guys in the next one.